I sowed some more lettuce seeds over in this bed. I see some germinating. Come on, lettuce. Several varieties of lettuce over here. But look at that beautiful butter crunch lettuce right there that I'm getting ready to harvest some of those leaves off of it. It's over here in this bed by itself, growing beautiful. Over here I planted some more broccoli and some kale. I don't see anything germinating over here yet. Let me get here and harvest me some lettuce this morning. Look at my beautiful lettuce over here. Okay, let me harvest some of your beautiful leaves. Make a nice salad with today too. Oh yes. It's gonna be a great salad to eat today. Just peel off some of your larger lettuce leaves and let the little smaller ones continue to grow. And you come back and harvest again. Some nice, beautiful leaves. A nice salad to eat today. Yes. I harvest almost all of that butter crunch lettuce. I come back and harvest some more when I see some more growing. A nice lettuce harvest from Big Mama's garden.